What's up guys, it's Tyler here with 918 Boats, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2023 Tigé RZX22. So one of my favorite features here on this Tigé is this power tower. Just got a switch right here. Putting your tower down and your cover on is a breeze. Another one of my favorite features is on the back here, these flip-up seats. They're on billet hinges. You can just flip them up, sit here, relax, hang out on the back side of the boat, and get them back down. You just pull the hinge, and they flop right down. So one of the features that I really like is they really cleaned up the body lines of this model by inlaying the LED docking lights and nav lights into the rub rail itself. Just keeps it super clean and slick looking. Alright, so here at the hub, here on the main screen, you have your cruise control and your RPMs. If you're wanting to surf, you simply go here to the Go Touch feature. Your ski, surf, and wake tab will pop up. You simply hit surf, you tap go, and that will activate the tabs. And then you just pick which side you want and go. And last but not least, my favorite feature, the 6.2 liter Raptor, marinized by Inmar, making 400 horsepower and about 400 pound-feet of torque. Well guys, that wraps up our walkthrough and demo of this 2023 Tigé RZX22. To see this boat or more like them, visit us at 918boats.com or follow us for more, and we'll see you next time.